Hey Swissy gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I decided to make a challenge video, which is the first video I'm making for this year and also the first challenge video I'm ever making. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get notification whenever I post a new video, and comment down below what kind of challenge you want me to make next. And so let's go to the video. This cooler, I didn't shake it, so all the gas and everything are still intact. And let's do this. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm doing this. I'm not a fan of cola, but wow. Oh my god, I failed the challenge. This is more harder than I thought, but I'll still try to keep my face and finish this. Oh my god, it's so difficult to make. Bless you. Oh my god. Excuse you. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Whew. Oh my god. Okay, 4 minutes. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Whew. Ooh. And that and that is the end of this video. And and that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get notification whenever I post a new video. And until then, I'll see you in the toilet. Choose.